Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Already everyone is waiting for the evaluation formula, what education minister will take, what AHEC board will take. Recently education minister along with AHEC board, they have finally released the evaluation process, and this video is basically about a small analysis how student will get at the marking pattern or what the formula has been evaluated. Regarding that description, I have created this video. Hope everyone will get some benefit. Okay, firstly in the blackboard I have categorized first HSLC and then I will go to the high secondary. In HSLC it has been noticed that 40% marks will be taken from class 9 exam. What marks the student got at class 9, from there 40% marks shall be taken. Okay, remaining 40% they will calculate it for, or they will take from where they will take from class 10 exam, class 10 test exam or class 10 unit exam, whatever exam the school has conducted. From there 40% marks will be added or taken into consideration, and remaining 20% from school based internal assignment or whatever the assignment or any project the school has given to the student, those things will be assessed. It might assess the attendance also, so student discipline, student pass record also school can evaluate. Okay, from there 20% marks will be covered by the school authority. Okay, this is the pattern. Suppose in 100 marks 40% he will get marks. Suppose for maths 40% marks we will get from class 9. For example, if I take for example, what happened, suppose a student got 90 marks in maths in class 9, then 50% will be what, 45 marks will be calculated. Then 40% suppose regarding test or regarding unit exam he have scored suppose a total of what we can say 30 marks, then 30 marks will be considered 45 plus 30 75, and remaining 20 marks the school authority will provide, and based on that the student assessment will be made. This is about the school or HSLC's evaluation formula. Again I am repeating, 40% from class 9 subject mark, 40% from class 10 unit test or test mark, okay, and 20% other internal assessment. This is the pattern for HSLC. Now coming back to the high secondary, there it has been again segregated two part. Okay, art, science, commerce is there. Okay, in some subject they have practical and there some subject they do not have practical. So I have categorized this into two category, under practical and without practical. First we will move on to the practical exam. Basically in science stream, physics, chemistry, they have practical examination. In practical examination, those subjects which have practical examination, what guidelines they have given, that 50% marks will be taken from base of 3 from class 10 exam. Okay, in the mark sheet of class 10, okay, suppose a student got good marks in English, maths, science, highest marks he have got 80, 85, 90, like this he have got. Okay, from that 3 subject 50% marks will be calculated. Okay, and remaining 30% from where? From the practical examination. Practical examination already the college has conducted. Okay, so there is no any confusion. 30% from practical exam student will get, those who have practical subjects. Okay, 10% from internal assessment by the college authority or high secondary junior college authority. 10% marks internal things they will look after, maybe test exam, unit test exam, attendance, whatever those things. Based on that 10 marks will be covered up. In this way 90 marks has been covered up, and remaining remaining 10% additional percentage board will provide to the student. That will come to the later part. Now come back those subject without practical. Without practical also 50% marks a student will get from best of 3 of class 10. From class 10 subject best of 3 marks will be calculated. Okay. Next 40% from internal assessment the college will provide to the board. Okay, this I am talking about without practical. 40% that college authority will provide internal assessment like unit test, what we can say class test, the pre-test. Okay, regarding those examination of 11 and 12 internal assessment marks will be calculated. Okay, again I am repeating, 11 and 12 internal assessment will be made. First year's internal assessment marks also they will calculate, or second year marks sheet also they will calculate. In a combinedly they will calculate and give a number of 40%. Okay, and remaining is the additional percentage board will provide. Now the question is how they will, AHCC will provide that additional marks. For this reason also they have given a guidelines. For this reason, suppose in this 90 marks a student got 65, out of these 50 plus 30 plus 10, 50 plus 40 also 90. Suppose in chemistry from this 90 marks a student got suppose 65 marks. Okay, that means first division marks he have scored from that 90%. If he scored first division, then he will get additional 10%. Means his percentage will be what? 75. Okay, and suppose if I talk to the commerce stream, okay, suppose a student got in accountancy 55 he have scored out of 90 marks including best of 3 and internal examination, and 55 is the second division mark. If he scores second division marks from that 90 marks, then he will get an additional percentage of 7%. If he scored 60 or 70, then he will get 10 marks. And if any student from this 90%, if he scored third division marks, then he will get an additional value of what? 5%. Okay, again I am repeating, if a student scored 90% marks, then he will got 90% from 90%. If he scored first division marks, he will get an additional 10%. If from that 90%, if he scored second division marks, then he will get additional 7%. And if he scored third division marks, suppose a student got 44 from 90, 44 is what third division mark, then he will got additional 5%. There his percentage will be what? 44 plus 5, 49%. In this way board has given the mechanism, and I think it is a very good design for the benefit of the student. Okay, student will be also satisfied with the pattern. They have very much considered about the student feeling, student emotion, student future also. The pattern is very well planned manner, and for those students board has also made a provision. Those who are not satisfied with the pattern or mark they will get by this pattern, they may have the provision of giving exam, but after 15 September. This is all about a pattern that board has given to the for the student. Hope this video has given some idea to the student. Okay, if you are a new viewer, then subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. Okay, thank you.